How are you guys? I hope you are doing well and your friend told you copy my file and put it in USB and then give it to me. But when you put USB in the PC, you face this error and you become hyper. What happened to this USB device? Why it is not opening? Then don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. But before we start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and be part of our MK army. Now without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, let's talk about why we face this error. Basically, there are two types of table that USB device use for file storage. One is the master file table and the another one is the file allocation table. So when these tables become disturbed by viruses or malware infection, then you will face this error. Oops, enough talk. Let's move forward to fix this problem. Simply right click on USB device, then select format. Make sure you choose NTFS file system and 1496 byte as allocation unit. And in the volume section, enter your device name whatever you want. Next, uncheck the quick format to deeply erase every file on USB device and install new file so that we can free our USB device from viruses or malware infection. Spoiler alert, it will take some time to completely format this USB device. Once the USB format, it will be ready for use. I hope you guys will like this video and feel free to comment if you have any other problem. I will try my best to solve your problem as soon as possible. Have a nice day. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video, inshallah.